I know one of your biggest struggles is to understand the difference between VARA and FINNAS. Let's talk about that. Let's get the most obvious example out of the way. Det är mat. Det finns mat. Det är mat just means it is food. It's edible, it's not a dress, it's food. Whereas det finns mat means there is food. Det är means it is, and det finns means there is or there are. Now the difficulties arise with this example. Det är mat här. Det finns mat här. Now in English, both of these mean there is food here. So what's the difference? We can see vara as a verb that indicates a temporary location, whereas finnas indicates where something is expected to be. It's a more permanent location. And if we take a look at the origin of the word finnas, it becomes clearer what we really mean. So finnas is also the passive voice of finna, which means to find. So what we say is something like, where can it be found? So where does it live? Where is its expected location? And so it becomes clearer what we mean when we say det är mat här. It's unexpected. Why is there food here? Det är mat här. There's food here. Shouldn't be here in the bathtub. Not a good place for food. Whereas det finns mat här means there's food here. We don't need to go shopping. Jag är på Drottninggatan. Jag finns på Drottninggatan. So with this new knowledge, what's the difference between these two sentences? Jag är på Drottninggatan. I'm on Queen Street. But I could turn left in 2 seconds, right? It's a temporary place I'm at right now. Whereas jag finns på Drottninggatan means I have a shop there, or I live there, and it's expected to find me there during the day, or whatever. A temporary place and a permanent expected place. Now, of course, there are exceptions, and this example might startle you a little bit. Affären är på Drottninggatan. Affären finns på Drottninggatan. Now, in this example, the store is on Queen Street, and I will argue that you will hear both of these interchangeably from Swedes, because the store could move, but it's not really expected that a store will move. It's not very mobile, not very animate, right? And you can't pick it up and move. You will hear Swedes say affären är på Drottninggatan or affären finns på Drottninggatan. Both of these work the same in this case. If you need more examples, let me know in the comments down below and I will give them to you, and click here to learn another topic.